Go get Andrew. Go get him. Go get him. There she goes.
Aw, good job,
Yay,
Chloe.
Glowbug.
You got your big brother.
Show him how you stand by yourself. Let go. Let go. Let go.
Aw.
Good job. Go all back to Dad.
She's almost there.
All back.
Come
She
here.
goes to the camera.
Let's see, she does it anyway. Get your balance.
Come on, Chloe.
Come on. Oh, she's turning. She's showing off. One-handed. Oh.
Oh, you found the camera. You want to come say hi? You say hi. Say hi, cutie pie. Hi. I know. You want to see your grandma and grandpa? So bad. Yeah? You're trying to reach and get them. Yeah. Clap. Show grandma and grandpa how you clap. No? Okay. So that's Chloe walking. We love you guys. Bye.